Summer heat doesn't cause tire blowouts. Neglect does. And most drivers are checking the wrong things before a road trip. Every year, when temperatures rise, people blame extreme heat. But a healthy tire doesn't suddenly explode just because it's hot outside. Heat exposes weaknesses. So before you hit the highway this summer, let's break down 6 tire myths that could quietly put you at risk. And the final one might be affecting your car right now, even if you barely drive. Myth number 1. Hot weather alone causes blowouts. Air temperature isn't the real problem. Your tires don't care what your weather app says. They care how hot the road surface is. Asphalt absorbs sunlight and radiates heat back into your tires. Now combine that with highway speed. As the tire rotates, it flexes. That flex generates internal heat. Now you have external heat and internal heat building at the same time. But here's the key. A healthy tire can handle summer heat. A compromised one cannot. Failures don't start with temperature. They start with weakness. Which brings us to the biggest false sense of security. Myth number 2. If my TPMS light is off, I'm fine. This one catches a lot of people. If the light isn't on, my pressure must be good. No. TPMS only warns you after a significant pressure drop. You can be underinflated and never see an alert. And slight underinflation is dangerous in summer. Underinflated tires flex more. More flex means more internal heat. More heat means faster structural fatigue. TPMS is a warning system, not a maintenance system. If you haven't checked your pressure manually, cold, recently, you're guessing. And guessing at highway speed isn't smart. Myth number 3. Adding extra air in summer makes it safer. This sounds logical. It's not. Some drivers add a few extra PSI in summer, thinking it adds protection. But air expands as temperature rises. If you inflate tires when they're already warm, you can unintentionally overinflate them. Overinflation reduces your contact patch. That means less grip, faster center tread wear, harsher stress through the tire structure. More pressure isn't safer. Correct pressure, measured cold, is safer, not extra. Myth number 4. If the tread looks good, the tire is good. This is where expensive surprises happen. Tread is visible. Structural aging isn't. Over time, heat and UV break down rubber from the inside out. The compound hardens. Internal bonding weakens. You can have decent tread left and still have an aging tire. That's why the DOT code matters. Around 6 years, pay attention. Around 10 years, replace it. And watch for early warning signs. Sidewall cracks, small bulges, uneven shoulder wear, vibration at highway speed. Those aren't cosmetic. They're indicators. We broke down all the specific tire failure signs in detail in a previous video. And if you're seeing any of those symptoms, that's not something to ignore. Because once aging rubber meets highway speed and summer heat, that's when failures happen. And that leads directly into the next myth. Myth number 5. Blowouts are random. They're usually not. There's a pattern. Heat plus speed plus load. Speed increases internal temperature. Load increases sidewall stress. Combine that with hot pavement and aging rubber, and marginal tires fail. That's why blowouts spike during fully loaded summer road trips, not short grocery runs. It's not bad luck. It's physics. Quick question. When was the last time you checked your tire pressure manually with a gauge? Not the dashboard. Actually checked it. Let me know below. And if this is helping you rethink your tire setup, hit like. It helps more drivers see this before their next trip. Myth number 6. Parking doesn't affect tire health. Heat damage doesn't only happen while driving. If your car sits on superheated asphalt in direct sun, that constant exposure accelerates rubber aging. If you park with wheels sharply turned, one section of the sidewall carries more stress. If you're pressed against a curb, you're adding localized load. You won't see damage overnight, but over years, it accelerates aging. Summer sun is not gentle on rubber. Bonus myth. My spare tire is fine.
How old is your spare?
Most people don't know. It's often severely underinflated, many years old, never inspected. And here's the problem. Most spares fail the moment they're finally needed. Your emergency plan shouldn't be weaker than your main tires. The real summer tire intelligence checklist. Before a long summer highway trip, check pressure cold manually. Inspect sidewalls, not just tread. Check the DOT age code. Confirm your load rating matches your trip. Inspect and inflate your spare. Not complicated, just intentional. Summer doesn't destroy healthy tires. Compromised tires fail when heat exposes their weaknesses. If your tires are over 6 years old and you're planning a long, high-speed trip, replacing them isn't overreacting. It's cheaper than a roadside emergency at 75 miles per hour. And if you're unsure whether your tires are already showing early warning signs, watch this next. I break down the exact symptoms of tire failure most drivers miss. I'll see you in the next one.